Did you know that Windows Copilot AI actually builds a memory about how you use it? Over time, Copilot can remember your preferences, habits, and how you interact with it to give more personalized answers. But if you want to start fresh or protect your privacy, you can easily clear Copilot's memory. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open Copilot on your Windows computer. Once it's open, click the Open Sidebar button in the top left corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and find the Account section, then click on it. Inside that menu, select Settings. When the Settings page appears, open the Privacy section. Scroll all the way down until you see the Delete Memory button. Click on it, and then confirm your choice by selecting Delete Memory again in the pop-up window. And that's it. Your Copilot AI memory is now completely cleared. From this point on, Copilot won't remember anything from before, and you'll have a clean slate. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.